Hey YouTube, here's a little unboxing video of the innovative Marine Helio heater that I just bought. As you can see, it's packaged extremely well. This is the one I bought. It's a 200 watt version. Comes with the sensor, controller, the heating element, and what's nice about these ones is they're actually upgradable. So if you look here on this controller, if I can actually do this while holding the phone, let's see here. There we go. So here's the controller right here. It actually has some inputs here for 2 heating cores, which are heating elements, which is really awesome. So if you ever want to upgrade, you can definitely upgrade. Right here's the titanium element holder. It's a very strong magnet right here. Just give you kind of a sizing of this thing. This thing's massive. It holds the heater in place down in your sump, so it's not just dangling. If I can actually pull it out here, set the phone down. Hold on a second. There we go. Yeah, this thing is pretty sweet. It's a very strong magnet, and it just clips on, and your heating element just sits right inside of there. So moving forward, here's the heater. This is only the 200 watt version. See if I could get that on there. And what's nice about these heaters is they only get up to a specific temperature, and they don't get any hotter than that temperature. So they're not going to overheat. They're not going to damage the element and cause your tank to fail. So here's the controller here. Once I get everything set up, I'll show you guys it set up and get another video going. But I'm very happy with this overall. I'm excited to set it up, and yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.